Buen camino.
Buen camino.
Village, you have 10 kilometers 66 that is Viana. And from Viana, you have 9:27 until Logroño. It's like nothing there between.
Oh, really?
So today is only 2 stops. You know, like Torres del Rio and like only 2 villages that you can stop and drink or eat. And after that,
Parked under this tree. Take some filming. Do some filming. I said goodbye to a Catalan lady. Catalan woman, very beautiful. She suggested to me that I say something about sharing the Camino. After I asked, we had a quite deep conversation, and she said this is the first day for her that she shared the Camino with somebody. And so we walked in we had the same speed and liked to travel and everything. So it was a nice walk today, really nice. She left off when I took a break for filming, so but it's always 1 hour left, I think. So I said to her, sharing the Camino, I don't know what to say about it. One way sharing is happiness for me, but it can also be like very annoying if you have to share with people you do not want to share with, right? The whole point of sharing is to sharing the happiness, I would say. It can be a reason even to come here, just to meet people, to share the Camino day by day. I have been walking alongside somebody for more than 1 hour every day. Today we walked a lot more, 3 hours, maybe 4. Doesn't matter. What's most valuable in our life should be, according to me, the time we got. So if you share the time with somebody, you should value that person in some way, in many ways. Or in a light way also. You might just value the conversation. You might value the knowledge, stories. Yeah, I'm intrigued after this. I wonder who I'm gonna meet tomorrow. Will I see her again? I really hope so, but I'm not expecting to ever see her again. This is just a beautiful memory now, the walk we had together, I think. Hope. She felt something like that too. Maybe I see her again then.